it's Hannah with WTI here with Artify's paintbrushes. These paintbrushes have really upped my watercolor game and I want to share them with you. These are made of squirrel hair and that has an amazing absorbency. They hold a lot of water and make it really easy to paint. You have a nice natural flow with them. They really have made painting easier and my artwork is improving because of them. I love the shape of these brushes. You have the nice pointy tips so you can have a little bit more detail. And then you have the broadness of the brushes as well. So if you add more pressure, you get a nice broad stroke. That makes it really easy to make leaves or petals just by adjusting the pressure that you are painting with. The quality of these paintbrushes has blown me away. They are handcrafted and they do not shed at all. They have wrapped them really nice and tight so you don't have to worry about shedding. This is a variety pack of 3 different sizes. So this is a really good starting kit so you have a nice variety to paint with. So if you like to watercolor and you want to up your game or you're just looking for some new brushes that are going to work really well, I highly recommend these. But that's just my point of view.